Okay, so Rice, I think what is happening is when you are going to picture placer, remember it's going to go in and out like this for a while just because it's the proxy server. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over to picture placer, and I think you're doing what I did the first few times that I did this, where you're clicking on the wrong folder. So if you click on your folder, and remember, immediately it gives you this stupid error message, and you just go, okay. And then go to Team Drive. And we're going to go to Image Library. And then Activity. Now watch, if I, let's say for example that I go to Emmeline, right? If I click on Emmeline, all of these things are grayed out, which is what you were describing to me. You're like, all of my images are there, but they're grayed out. The reason they're grayed out and you can't actually place them is that you want to highlight the folder itself. So do you see how there's this little arrow and it's pointing down? That means the folder itself is open, okay? So make sure that you've got the blue bar on it and that the little arrow is down, and then you're gonna click on OK. And it's gonna take forever because it's trying to go through a proxy server. Now, do you see how it loads up like that? So I think what you were describing is you said that the file names themselves are grayed out. So remember, when you're using this, you're clicking on the folder inside the folder inside the folder. So it gets a little confusing. So don't beat yourself up if you were like, oh, I should have known that. Not necessarily. Sometimes it's confusing. So the next thing that you want to make sure that you do is you bring the picture over. So you grab the picture, right? And I'm going to go, okay, long picture goes here. Long picture goes here, right? And then I'm going to put all the pictures where I want to put them inside this little, whatever it is that I'm doing, okay, inside this module. This is really important, though, so make sure that you remember it. Otherwise, you'll lose everything. Make sure you go OK. So you have to click OK to save. Otherwise, it's not going to save. So try and mess around with it and see if that works. And I think that it will end up working for you.